You've been there. 30 minutes tweaking Bezier handles, and the camera move still feels mechanical. What if you could just pick up your phone and move through your 3D scene? Phone Camera Controller. Your phone is the camera. Grab the app on Google Play or App Store and the After Effects plugin from Motionist.Studio. Same Wi-Fi network. That's it. No IP addresses, no pairing codes. They find each other automatically. Boom. Connected. Your comp streams to your phone in real time. Every layer, every effect, every 3D object, right on your phone screen. Use it as a wireless preview monitor. Walk into your composition and choose the best shot. Every micro movement of your hand translates into the camera in After Effects. This isn't a gimmick. This is how cinematographers think. You don't keyframe a dolly shot. You move through it. Tap record for a single keyframe. Press and hold for continuous recording. Every frame captures your position and rotation. Full timeline control from your phone. Play, pause, scrub, step frame by frame. And with the camera picker, you choose which AE camera your phone drives. Switch angles without touching your keyboard. The plugin is free. The app is free. You get 30 recording credits to start. Need more? Watch a quick ad. Want unlimited recording? One-time purchase. No subscriptions, no tiers. Stop keyframing. Start moving. Download free at Motionist.Studio.